wife of mine. Got a woman strong with a gentle soul. She hold the family, she make us whole. Working hard every single day, still she find the time to kneel and pray. With a heart so pure and a love so true, Lord, I give thanks that I walk with you. She's my strength when the road get long. She is the peace in my every song. Understanding in her eyes I see, she the anchor of the family. Family, together we stand, guided by God's loving hand. Through the storm and through the sun, we stay strong as one. Family, love never fall. God is the compass for us all. Heart to heart eternally, this is our family. Three little blessings sent from above, growing every day in a house of love. Yo, me laughing loud in the yard outside, Daddy dreaming big with the fire inside. Little Joe smiling bright like the dawn, bring the joy every morning when the day come on. Every step that they take I pray, Jah protect them along the way. Teach them love and humility, faith and strength and unity. Every night when we bow our head, give thanks for the daily bread. Family, together we stand, guided by God's loving hand. Through the storm and through the sun, we stay strong as one. Family, love never fall. God is the compass for us all. Heart to heart eternally, this is our family. Oh yeah. Full alive, one love, give thanks. When the road get rough and the sky turn gray, we hold each other and we find a way. Side by side, no matter where. Love is something we always share. Close together, that's how we stay. Night and morning, every day. Through the years, our roots grow strong. In this love where we belong. Not just blood, but hearts combined. Peace and joy in this life we find. As long as Jah keep lighting the way, our love will never fade away. One prayer in the night, one candlelight, Jah guide we own, one dream we share. Love everywhere, never alone. Hand in hand we walk this land, faith forever strong. Family love from above is where we belong. Family, together we stand, guided by God's loving hand. Through the storm and through the sun, we stay strong.